Good morning, players. It's Ray the Video Guy here, and today I want to talk to you about something that I actually discovered earlier that I had no idea was even out there. As you know, a lot of people send me products to check out, software, trainings, things like that. And if they're any good, I usually tell you about them. If they're not so good, I just kind of put them aside and forget about them. And today I was running into an issue where I really didn't have anything that really stood out and was worthy of talking about and really doing a review of. And so I started to do a little bit of research and looking around, and I came across something that looked really interesting, but I didn't know about. It's actually a new product that just came out on Warrior Plus the other day, and it's by Luther Landro. So if you don't know Luther puts out a lot of products that teach you how to work with local businesses, and we've promoted some of his products in the past, and they've been very, very good. Well, I came across one that he just put out that deals with getting business in the automotive repair, so auto body shops, transmission shops, things like that. And it deals with getting them as clients, starting off by using Google My Business. And as you know, I'm a big fan of using Google My Business as a way to get in the door with a company so that you can start offering things like video and SEO and websites and whatever other types of stuff that you really enjoy. Well, this particular product, it teaches you some really cool stuff, not only to find the auto body shops and transmission shops that need your services, but it provides something very unique that he discovered works with Google My Business to shoot you right to the top. And he shares in a video an example of an auto body shop that asked him for some help, and he was able to jump them right up to #1 on the maps using a very special little trick that not a lot of people are doing. And it's one that I've never thought of and never really given second thought to, but apparently it works very, very well. And so I started to go through his new training course so that I could see what it was all about. And it actually is really, really good. The little secret that he has that he's going to reveal in his video, it really does make a big difference. And it's something that I've never thought about in the past. So this is a very unique thing. Plus, he has a few other solutions for people in this industry that can really make a big difference. But what's really exciting, if any of you are turned off and going, I don't want to deal with auto body shops and transmission shops, it deals with something that a lot of other companies also could be using as their advantage. So even though the training is specific to auto body shops, this would apply to dentists, to doctors, to travel agents, to a lot of other industries that use the same things that this auto body company would use, and you'd be able to shoot them to the top by using the same tricks. All right, so let's take a look at the inside so you can kind of get an idea of what this program is all about. Okay, so I wanted to show you the inside of Luther Landro's inner circle with the Effortless Auto Repair Training. Now, this is a training course that's going to teach you some new tricks about Google My Business that are going to help you to rocket to the top. And if you watch Luther's video, which by the way, I highly recommend you do that, even if you're not planning on purchasing this, click the link down below to watch his video regardless of whether you want to purchase this or not, because he's going to give you some insights in that video that are really going to be quite eye-opening. So what he's done is he's discovered a trick that you can do inside of Google My Business that really helps you to rank a lot more quickly. And it's also going to give you a couple of other tricks that you may not think of that can really make a difference as well. Plus, he's going to show you how to find the businesses that really need this. And so it's a great training. You can see here, you got you can actually download all the training decks that he uses for his videos by coming in here. You got your welcome video, you got your course intro, you got your opportunity overview. So this is one that's going to start to show you what this is all about. You want to watch this one right away. In fact, if you want to, even skip the welcome, you can jump right into this, because this right here is where you're going to reveal the gold that's going to make you go, I get what he's doing here. And it's what really makes a big difference when it comes to ranking. And not only ranking, but it makes a big difference in getting new customers. So not only are you going to rank better, but the percentage of people that turn into customers is going to skyrocket when you do this trick as well. How to prospect for the clients. Got that in here. You've got approaching the auto repair shop. So this is going to be all about how you actually reach out to them and what you say and what you do to make sure that you can really make a difference in their business and that you can get them to take action. And by the way, most of this deals with just dealing with emails. Now, it does say email and telephone follow-up, but most of this deals with just using email where you don't have to do a lot of cold calling type stuff. He's going to teach you how to service the clients. So this is going to be a more all-encompassing view. So up here, the opportunity showed you the trick, and here is where you're going to put it all together using the trick along with some of the other tricks he talked about and the basic Google My Business setups that you want to use. How to outsource it all. Okay, that's very important because we want to make sure that if you're going to be doing this, that you can be spending your time getting new clients instead of clicking buttons, so you can outsource all of this. How to upsell. This, again, very, very important because once you get in, if you pick up a client for $500 a month, that's great, and you're going to make a good amount of money, especially if you can get a couple of these. You get, 3 or 4 of these guys coming in. Now you're up to over $1,000 a month, which isn't a ton of money. But if you can turn each of those businesses into paying you $1,500 a month because you're doing video, you're doing ads, you're doing SEO, whatever it happens to be, then you can really start to make a difference in their business and a huge difference in yours. Because imagine instead of 4 or 5 clients, let's say you get 10 clients at $500 a month doing the Google My Business stuff. That's $5,000 a month, which is pretty good money, but it's not fantastic money. You turn each of those clients into a $1,500 a month client, and now all of a sudden, you're making some really good money. You're well beyond the 6 figures. So this is a very important thing. You got the course wrap up here. Then you've got your email templates. So this is going to help you to do all of your outreach. You can download those in here. You've got your service checklist. So this is going to help you go through the entire process just like you would when you're actually working with the client. You've got your directory site listings that are going to help you out, a prospecting checklist, how to do the prospecting properly. And again, that's after watching the videos. You've got the bonus point of sale postcard templates and the lead management spreadsheet. So all of these things you can add in there. And by the way, that's not even all, because if you slip over here, now you've got the Mechanic WordPress theme, you've got the work agreement, you got the invoice template, and you've got custom marketing agency package that's going to help you to get new clients. So all of these things included in one really easy to use Inner Circle membership from Luther Landro. Please note though, this is a lot of stuff in here. You see all these things here. Each one of these videos is probably between 10 and 25 minutes long. And so you've got a lot you can watch through. There's a lot of information here, but I highly recommend you go through, watch these videos. Remember to check them off afterwards, which I only did on a couple of them, so I got to go back and do that. So you want to make sure you keep up on what you've done to make sure that you see everything in here, and then download all of the templates, and you're going to be able to get new clients pretty easily once you work this out and understand exactly what you're doing, because it's going to benefit these businesses. And, the exciting thing about the auto repair is not a lot of people are going after these guys. So they're not getting all of the attention from the marketers like a plumber does. But of course, this does apply to the plumbers. Once you learn this, you can apply this to plumbers. You can apply this to doctors, lawyers, dentists, travel agents are another really big one. So highly recommend you check this out. And of course, we got some great bonuses, so check those out as well. Well, there you go. That's the inside of Effortless Auto Repair. As you can see, this is a tremendous training program, especially when you consider the extreme low price that he's charging for this. Not only are you going to learn the basics of Google My Business, you're going to learn some special tricks that are going to help you to rank faster and better, and you're going to be able to find the businesses that need your services. And the best part is, while this applies specifically to this auto repair industry, what he does here also applies to companies like dentists, doctors, lawyers, travel agents, and you're going to see why when you go through the program. But it's going to allow you to really make a difference in the lives of these businesses, get them a lot more phone calls, and it's really going to help you to start building that monthly income at $500 per month to start with, and then you start offering other services. You do this with 10 or 12 businesses, and all of a sudden you're making a good 6-figure income. So I highly recommend you check this out. We do have some great bonuses you can see down below that are really going to make a difference, but this is a true hidden gem. I discovered it in there, didn't even know this thing was out, bought it, went through the training course, or at least most of the training course so far. I've still got a few things to go through, but this really is a great way to get started in that industry and really start to build up your business. So please check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out those bonuses, and we'll see you next time.